Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. Today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a BMW 1 Series, the F20 F21 generation. Though, I guess most BMWs with the batteries in the boot will have the same procedure. Anyway, let me show you how to do it. Before I go into too much detail, I will show you where the battery is located on this F20 and where the terminals are underneath the bonnet. The battery on the F20 is located in the boot, underneath the boot floor. Never ever jumpstart the car from this location, as it can cause numerous amounts of issues with the electrics and computers. Plus it is not safe with the sparks flying about, especially if there is gas in this confined space. When you change the battery on these newer BMWs, you need to get the car registered at the BMW dealership due to the IBS system, which stands for Intelligent Battery System, not Irritable Bowel Syndrome. Under the bonnet, we have a special location where we can jumpstart the car from. This is the earth, which is the negative terminal. The positive terminal is underneath this red cover marked with a plus sign. I recommend that you buy a decent set of jump leads which are suitable for your car. In fact, this is the first time I've looked at mine, and even though they're new, they're a bit crap. So I will need to buy some good ones myself. Does anyone know of any good brands which they've had experience with in the past? I am hoping to get a classic BMW with a bigger engine, so I will need something a bit more beefier than these ones. Usually, if the jump leads are thin, they may not help you jumpstart the car, because not enough power can be sent through them, plus they will get hot. It is also recommended that you get a set with insulated handles, not like these ones here. The last thing you want to do is accidentally touch the cables together. A mini tip: when parking in a garage or parking space, always reverse park into the area. Just in case your battery goes flat and you need to jumpstart the car from the front. Do not park too close to the back wall though if you're parking in the garage, in case you have to remove the battery. How to open the driver's door? Well, as you've guessed, my battery isn't flat. I'm just teaching you what to do. On this type of key fob, there is a little button on the back of it. If you push it in, the key blade will slide out. This blade can now be used on the driver's door. Now some of you may not have the key locked on the door, but in fact you do. It's just hidden. What you will need to do is go to this cover here, and you'll see a little indent on the bottom, or it could be a hole. Insert a key and use it to help you lever off the cover. Once it's been removed, you will see the car's hidden cylinder key lock. Step 1. Check to see if the vehicle that's helping you has a 12-volt power system. You can check this out by checking the battery. You can also check online or check in the user's handbook. Step 2. Bring the cars close together, but do not let them touch each other. It may cause a short circuit. Step 3. Now, make sure all the electrics are turned off on both cars, along with the ignition switches. Now the leads. First of all, connect the positive jump lead, which is the red one, onto the dead car's positive terminal. Now, connect the other end of the positive lead onto the helping car's positive terminal. Now, use the black jump lead and connect it to the dead car's negative terminal just here. Then, take the other end of this lead and connect it to the healthy car's negative terminal. Now that both cars are connected, start up the helping car and let it run with the higher revs for a few minutes. A diesel may need to be ran for about 10 minutes first of all. Now, your BMW F20 F21 1 Series should start like normal. If it doesn't start first time, wait a bit longer to allow the car to charge up a little bit more. When the F20 has finally started, allow the cars to run together for a few minutes. Now, you can disconnect the leads in the opposite order to which you connected them. Now, I recommend that you take your vehicle to a reliable place to get the battery checked over. And I mean reliable, not one of these big companies that work on a bonus scheme. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you jumpstart your car okay. If you want to see other F20 F21 1 Series DIY videos, there are plenty more in my playlist. Also, please subscribe as I try to make as many as I can. Take care and enjoy your week.